Hi guys, this is Sop Mimar here and welcome to my VidJack review. Firstly, thank you very much to give your precious time to my video and watching my video. So in this video, I'll give you a detailed walkthrough inside VidJack and I will be showing you all of the aspects of this tool and what you can do with this tool. Okay, so also I will be giving you some good bonuses. Total 10 super bonuses will be given to you from my website totally free once you have purchased the product from my website. So this is the dashboard of this tool. Let me start with this tool now, and after showing the tool I'd like to show you my bonuses. So this is the dashboard and this dashboard is very simple. So after that, inside the dashboard the main button is create. Let me start with the create and let me put any title name like test 1, and inside test 1 you have to put. So let me just clear you that what is this tool. This tool is all about capturing YouTube or Vimeo video, and like you can capture any videos, like any viral video also, and you can grab the video and you can use the video to customize according to you and to get the sales. Okay, so let me start with a Vimeo video. Let me start any random video inside Vimeo and let me put the link here. So let me start with create. Once I have just clicked on create, it is taking some time to show me the features. So inside the video, as you can see, I can put any text here firstly. So this is the first feature or option. It is not working properly, like double click is not working properly. Let me put here any random text. So you can customize it very easily, and a background color, you can give background color. You can use the transition effect like bounce in, or like very good thing that you can use the start time and end time for any of the text or any of the tools, any of the widget you are using inside the video. You can just use the start time or end time for the respective widget, and all of the additional stuffs are here. You can discover it after purchasing the product. Let me show you the next option, that is image. You can customize your video. Inside your video you can put any image and you can put it, you can just scale it as you like, and also you can also use the corner round feature and also transition effect, start time, end time, common feature. So this is the hyperlink, and this is the main thing. I think this is the best thing inside this modern era. Like this is the call to action button. Call to action button is very essential these days, as everyone knows that inside YouTube for each and every respective video there is a call to action button, and while you are giving your customer a call to action button, the chances of conversion will be more higher and higher. So you can put your link, your landing page link, your another video link, your lead capture lead, like email marketing lead capturing page, and you can get the emails also. So this is a subscribe button, and you can use the subscribe button to capture the email also. You can use the thing like you can integrate let me show you. These are the integrations, and you can use the Aweber or GetResponse. Personally, I am using GetResponse, and you can use any of the integrations. These are the popular integrations, and also MailVio is a good integration. MidVio also a good integrations. So you can also integrate your integration inside this tool, and you can capture the emails, and you can for in future you can also, let me just remove it. You can also do the email marketing with the same customers. Okay, so I don't know how to remove it. So I can remove it from here, I think. Sorry. Okay, delete is not working. I don't know how to remove it, but this is the thing. And let me just place it another side. Okay, let me just place it here. So the next option is product. You can show up your product, like what product you are offering with the exact pricing. Like they are also giving you the checkout option, the PayPal checkout, the Stripe checkout, and most probably these are the two checkouts they are giving you. I don't know exactly apart from PayPal or Stripe what they are giving, but I know that PayPal and Stripe they are giving you for checkout of your product. Okay, So this was the product option, and you can also play with your customer. Most probably all of the features, all of the good features, or all of the possible widgets have been given by them inside this tool. And also timer feature, this is a very essential also. As you can see, the timer, you can use the timer for evergreen, like for years and years the timer will be shown up. Once the people start playing your video, after showing some part of the videos from start, then the timer suddenly comes out, and then makes the scarcity, something like that. And also the reward feature, is also good. Like you are giving first 10 people, for example, and that can also be kind of a scarcity environment or scarcity feature. And also that is a very good thing for sales. Okay, so let me show you. The next feature is share, for social sharing. And the next feature is video inside videos. So this is also an amazing feature. You can place your another video inside a video, like you can, while you are there. This is a good thing that I don't know how to delete it, otherwise I try to. Okay, so let me delete something from here. Okay, so this is like a dustbin now. So let me delete some features, some widgets. So if you are placing a video, and while placing a video or any other widgets among them, you can pause your background video or your main video, or you can play while you are showing your widgets. Okay, so that is also good thing inside this tool. And also you can share your map or location, and also you can embed you can use the embed feature. Like you can embed anything inside this video, any kind of widget, like your email integration, inside your email, from your email integration you can get the API, and you can use the subscribe feature by pasting the API, and get the leads inside your get response or Aweber account. So that was the thing, and that was the tool. And most possibly this is a good thing inside video marketing, that this kind of tools are really future tool. Inside future you will be showing, you will be watching, or you will be surely seeing this kind of tool inside future. And most probably all of the people who are doing who will be doing video marketing, they will all be using this tool. That is a good thing. And there is nothing much to say about this tool. And this is also desktop tablet and mobile responsive. And also you can use, after customizing the whole video, you can get the embed code from here, and you can paste it inside your web page or anywhere you want. And this is a preview sorry. So this is the preview thing. Once you have just play the video, I have not changed the start time or the end time. That is why this is by default. This is from 0 it will be coming, and it will be go through to the entire video. But once I have just mentioned the start time and end time, this will be come in for that time. And I can also use the transition feature, animation feature. Also that was the thing. And these are the upsells. So let me show you now bonuses and all other stuffs, like the pricings and all other stuff. So 99, 99, 95, 94, 97, and overall it has got 9.7 out of 10, which is an excellent performance. And also for the personal, the pricing is 37 bucks, and the commercial, the pricing is 47 bucks. So you can get the product within two pricing categories. The front-end product obviously 37 bucks and 47 bucks, and these are the pricing categories. You can get special $2 discount for this launch period only, and the time is also mentioned here. You can check out. And the launch starting date, just remember the date if you want to purchase it, the 5th March Friday, and the New York time the 11 AM EST, and also the launch ends at 10th March EST, midnight EST, like New York time, up to 12 PM. So the guarantee period, additionally they are giving you guarantee period 30 day no satisfaction money back guarantee. So you have nothing to worry inside this guarantee period, because you can easily, this thing is easily refundable within 30 days. And most probably I know that from the from the place you are purchasing the product, the place scrutinize the guarantee period for 7 days. So inside 7 days you can easily get the, it is easily refundable. What I mean to say that it is easily refundable within 7 days, for first 7 days. So these are the descriptions of this tool you can check out before purchasing the tool. And also this is the inside view of this tool. If you want to know more about this tool, you can play this video and check out this video. And these are my words, totally my words from my heart, and what I want to express about this tool I have written here. And I highly recommend any video marketer to get this tool. So these are the sales funnel. I don't want to pronounce or just read the detail about the sales funnel. This will make the video lengthy. So these are the sales funnel. I want you to visit this page basically. So that is my purpose, to visit this page, to check out this page, my bonuses, and you can get the tool. So my first bonus is totally free bonus. You can just message me inside my Facebook Messenger, and you will be given the answer inside Make Money Online. Any question, like any type of question, you can just ask me. If I don't know the answer, I will be also responding you that I don't know the answer. If I know the answer, I will be responding you that I know the answer. Sorry, sometime I just gasping, sorry. So I just got cold. Okay, so my bonus number 1 is GIMP. So as VidJack is a video based software, so that is why all of the bonuses will be related to videos. So my first bonus is GIMP software. GIMP software is all about a video editing tool, and also not only videos, but you can also edit the images. Basically I just mistakenly tell that it is a video editing tool. It is an image editing tool, and you can edit any images, any kind of images within this tool. And good thing is this tool is very compressed tool. Like you can get this tool within 300 MB, and you can edit any kind of, you can do any kind of editing inside this tool, and you don't need Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe Photoshop. Like they are more than 2 GB these days. And the next bonus is Audacity. Audacity is all about a audio grabbing tool. Audio, like you can get the people attention easily via your audio. So that kind of audio will be given to you by Audacity. So bonus number 3 is magnetic video marketing. Magnetic video marketing is another's knowledge. Like some good businessman or some good online businessman, most specifically online businessman, will be sharing you their knowledge about online business, and that video pack will be given to you inside magnetic video marketing. So my bonus number 4 is the animation playbook. Inside the animation playbook, you can easily create any animated video, your own animated videos, like kind of your face will be placed on inside the animated character. And my bonus number 5 is 80 stock footages. Though the stock footages are really free, you can grab it from Pixabay or Pixels or Unsplash. I don't know exactly, Unsplash maybe. So but these days people are really hurry, so that is why I captured all of the stock footages, good stock footages from those free places, and gathered them inside one place, and that will be given to you totally free. So inside my bonus 6 is link supremacy. Don't go by this title or the name of the product. This product is not a link shortener, but this is a link ranker. Like you can rank any link inside Google, any page link or any video link. How you can do the thing, basically this is a SEO tool, and you can rank your video instantly within 20 minutes after uploading it on YouTube, or you can rank your blog post inside Google by getting the knowledge given inside link supremacy. So my bonus number 7 is expert content videos. Expert content videos is a 30 step-by-step video series that will show you how you can maximize your profit inside internet by the same video you are using in a wrong way, and you can use some another way to get the most potential profit. Okay, so that was a last bonus I think. And the next thing is vendor bonuses. Like you will be given by default by the vendor like this bonus vidlock, and also FB live engager, and also the ultimate content vault, web conversion videos, local business graphics bundle. So these 5 bonuses will be given to you, and once you have just purchased the upsells, as the upsells are costlier, so more valuable bonuses will be given to you inside that place. Video to GIF creator, pixel logo creator, point click mockup generation, and pixel logo. Some bonuses will be also given you if you purchase the upsells basically. So these are the bonuses will be given to you if you purchase the upsells of this product. And also if you purchase the upsell from my website, you will be given more a bundle of softwares like 200 plus softwares, and also plugins, images, and also music tracks, and also so let me clear you that doodle character images also, and also some PLR products. Okay, so that was the bonus overview and also product overview. After purchasing the product, you can access your bonuses or your stuff by clicking this sky blue button given just below this green button. This green button is named as access your product, what you have purchased the VidJack, and this is a bonus product that is I am giving you. So that was the product overview and also the bonuses overview. I think I convinced you the product, and I am leaving now, so I am signing out. Bye bye.